So let's see how to create this effect on DaVinci Resolve. So this tutorial is similar to the flash transition, but you need to tweak a little bit for the flicker effect to happen. So for that, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy this clip, or you can press Option on your keyboard and just drag it here. I don't want the audio, so I'm going to delete the audio. And in the clip on top, you just right click and press New Fusion Clip. Then let's come to Fusion. If you guys have the paid version, you can use the magic mask. Now, since most of my subscribers use the free version, I'll be showing you in the free version. So you bring in a polygon node like so and draw a shape around your subject like this. You can spend as much time for this. I'm just going to do it roughly for this tutorial. So once you have the shape ready, just join it to this media in like this. And after this, select this media in, shift spacebar and bring in a brightness contrast node. Press add and you can increase the brightness all the way up. But once you do that, you can see everything got brightened because from the media in, it's directly going to the brightness. So it's completely increasing the brightness from here. So let's join this polygon node to the blue input of brightness so that it creates a mask, so that anything will only happen within that mask. So you have this figure ready. Now all you have to do is, let's come to the edit page, make a cut every frame. So I'm going to make a cut here, then go again, one more cut. I'll do it like 10 cuts. Up to you, you can make it how much ever you want, something like this. And then what you have to do is, just delete every second frame, every alternate frames you can just cut. And I'm going to cut this one also. So you have this flickering happening here like so. Now in the end also, you can repeat the same thing. So you can just copy and paste it here. So it will just, vanish in place. And after this, you can add in a clean plate. That is the same video without the subject, so that I have that video also here, so that it will vanish from frame like this. So once you add in your sound effect and sound design, this is what you have. So let's see how to create this effect on DaVinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. That's pretty much it for this video. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel, tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. And let me know what other tutorials you want to see on this channel. Thank you all for watching. And as always, I'll see you all in the next one.